Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can customize your video using CapCut. CapCut is a free software that is quite easy to use. It's only 400 MB. First thing, you need to download the CapCut from the official website. Once you downloaded the apps, install in your PC and open it. Once you open it, you'll see that there is an option new project. Click on the new project and it will check your system either it is supported or not. If it's supported, it will open the CapCut directly. You don't need to do anything. Once you open the project, you need to rename the project. Give a suitable name. In that case, I'll give you the name test project. Let's start by introducing the interface of the software. In the top left side, you'll see that the CapCut logo and the menu. From here, you can have different options: file, edit, layout, more, help, account, and setting. So in the setting, you can customize your setting according to your need. You can select the save location where your file will be saved after you make the video, and also material download. The material you download from the CapCut official directory while you want to save it. Either you want to save it on cloud or either you want to save it from your computer. Then cache. Cache is important. It saves all of your project in real time, so you don't need to save. It's the auto save option. I suggest leave as it is. Don't delete the cache for 30 days so that it will record your cache for 30 days. And then edit. You can set other editing option. I suggest keep as it is. If it's a video you recorded using your camera, in that case you can raise the FPS to 30 FPS to 60 FPS, or if it's a recording, simply keep as it is. Performance, you can check different performance setting, and then GPU. In my case, I have a dedicated GPU in my computer, so in that case I will leave as it is. Hardware explanation and hardware decoding, and then the sound speaker. I will keep as it is, my default speaker. Language as usual, English. Save it. Okay. In this side, you see that there are media, audio, text, sticker, pack, transition, filter, and you can import your media from here. Click here. You don't need to select anything. You can import any media by just simply clicking here. Okay, let's import a media to check it. So I have imported a media. You can import from here if you want to import other material. Once you import, you have to drag this thing here, and now it will show here the preview player. So your video player will be preview. Now you can see that if I play this button, my video will be play, and we can have multiple options. If you want to have audio sound in here, you can add the audio sound by clicking here, and we can go full screen if you want to check the full screen mode. And in the right hand side, you can see the different option, video setting option. The video you have selected, so you have selected this one, and it will give you the other option. And then audio, you can control the audio, loudness, normalization. What it will do, it will normalize your loudness to the regular video. If your video is too loud, it will reduce the loudness. If your video is too low volume, they will increase to loud volume. And you can enhance your voice. This is actually an AI based voice, so for that you need an internet connection. Anything marked as a free, you need to have an internet connection. So this option will take a little bit time to process, since it will upload your audio to the server and then process using AI and then download again. Noise reduction, this will reduce the noise immediately if I click it. Voice isolation, it will isolate your voice from the music. If your video has a music, you can separate music and voice. So if I select this one, they'll give you two options, what I want. want to keep the voice or I want to remove the vocal. So if I remove the vocal, it will only keep the music. If I keep the music, if I keep the vocal, it will remove the music, vice versa. Okay. Channel is designed for left right side audio adjustment. This is little bit advanced, so I suggest to leave as it is. This one used for surrounding sound or Dolby sound. And then speed. If you want to modify the speed of your voice, you can modify. Plus you can change the voice tone, what kind of tone you want to use. Animation. If your video is kind of slide, you can use animation, different animation from the stock library. And adjustment. You can adjust the video. You can color grade the video in different option: temperature, hue, saturation, brightness control, contrast, other thing. Okay. Now let's move on to our main section where our video is located. So in here you can see that the selection option, different kind of selection option, and this one used for selecting your splitting your video. So if you want to split your video, you can click this one. Now you can see that my video is split in twice. To go back, you can click here. If you want to split the left side, if you want to delete left side video, you can click here. So you can see that left side video is deleted. If you want to delete the right side video, you can click this one. You can see that the right side video is deleted. Back in here, if you want to add additional recording, for example, I want to add little bit voice over here, so I can add. Clicking here, recording.
This is Ryan. You commit to
voice
taking care of your need
in real time
and prepare to take action.
Okay. So the voice is added here. If I zoom a little bit, I can see that my voice is added here, the one I recorded. So we don't need it, we'll delete it for now. So in this section, other section is not that important. In here, you can zoom in or zoom out your voice and videos to check and work comfortably. So these have gone to the basic option. If you want to go advanced option, you can separate the video, audio, but it don't necessarily need it. You can directly click your video and you can work on the audio. You don't need to separate your audio to work on that. But if you want to go more advanced option, you separate your audio and then you can work. And you can also adjust the video, the volume of the audio. Now it's high volume.
One of the popular.
And if you want to reduce, that is low volume. So I press Ctrl Z, go to the earlier option. Now I'll separate the audio. So now our audio is separated. I can simply adjust the audio by simply dragging and dropping sound.
Humanistic psychologist approach theory is,
and I can also make loud my video. But sorry, I can make loud my audio. So if I click loudness, it will increase the clarity of my videos.
It will increase my clarity of my audio. It argued that there are.
So if I select the audio and then click loudness normalization, it will normalize the loudness of this audio. So now audio will be look loud.
Human need that motivate.
And the second option is, I'll go back to this option later. It will take some time. The next option is noise reduction. So it will reduce all of your noise instantly. Okay. And now if I want to enhance my voice, it will enhance my voice by uploading the audio into server and then enhance it. If I click here what it is, they will show the description that it will remove the echo sound, popping sounds, mouse click, if there is any mouse click, other noises, and enhance your voice into the studio quality sound. So let's wait to get it done. This will take longer time, so I'll pause the video for a minute and then I'll come back when it finish. So you can see that it enhanced my voice quality. Now if I play the video,
This stage a typical individual goes through in order to learn. It shows people learn through the process of doing and thinking. In curve model, activity.
So you can see that it enhances my voice into studio quality. It removes all the noises. Now it's look nice and clean. Now, if you want to add additional music in your video, you can simply import an additional music. Make sure that your music is copyright free, otherwise you will get copyright strike. So here I download couple of music. Let's import one and then drag here. So I have imported music, and if I play it,
Which the behavior is displayed.
I can see that the music volume is quite high. My voice is not audible.
The third one.
So what I can do, I can come here and drag and drop to reduce the music size.
Positive subtraction. An unpleasant stimulus previously associated with the desired
but not that accurate. So to get the accurate, we can either customize here, but drag and drop little bit complicated. We can do same thing from here. Now it's minus 22.5 decibel. We can reduce it maybe around. Higher value means it's reducing, okay? Now I can keep it in minus 28 decibel. Play it.
Behavior is removed, increasing the frequency with which that desired behavior is displayed.
So now the voice is okay and it's look nice. The music is not too hard to listen. So this is how you can customize the music. And if you want to copy it, you can copy it rest of your video. And then I can make another copy. I make it a little bit zoom so it will be comfortable to work. Now if you want a little bit transition here, you can customize that right, little bit transit. Now I can check that the music is a little bit longer. In that part I can crop this part. Put it here and then crop this part. Okay, and you can add little bit fade out noise at the end, or you can do little bit fade out in here, fade out, and I can make last 6 or 7 second fade out. You can see that it's fade out. If I do same fade out thing at the beginning, I can do that. I go here, fade in, it will last 4 or 5 seconds. Now play it.
Learning means permanent change in behavior.
So now it's look
by
nice.
acquiring knowledge. Pragmatists have a desire to relate what.
So this is how you can edit your video and audio separately. Now if you want to merge again your video and audio, you select both of them, right click, and then compound click. So it will merge your audio and video again back to the left. If you want to delete any part of the video and audio, you can simply crop it and then crop it and then delete it. This is how you delete the unwanted part of the video. I hope this tutorial will help you to edit your video. If you have more questions on these tools, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'll try to answer. Thank you for watching this video.